All right, my friends. So for those of you that have been watching my YouTube channel, for one, and have also watched me start to do some streaming, some game streaming, some tech streaming, some testing while I'm doing live streaming, you notice that I have it all set up in a different room. It's actually the room off to my left here. And I actually just went out and bought a bunch of LED strips, little LED strips, because I want that room to look, cool, modern, YouTubey, all that kind of stuff. So I bought these LED strips. Plus, I realized that I've run out of just some AC adapters over there, some power plugs. So luckily, the folks over at I'm guessing it's GHome. They asked me if I was looking at any power adapters, and I was like, I could use one. I'm not gonna lie, I could use one. If you want me to show it, I'll use it. I'll actually use it, and you'll see it plugged in over here, because I think this could be perfect for me. Because as you can see here, 3 USB A's, and I believe I bought 3 USB light strips, so that's perfect. And then little extra plugins, which is awesome. Now, 33 bucks Canadian. You do have the option to do white or black, depending on what you need. Power-wise, I don't think you're going to get a ton of power out of the USB ports. I'm not sure. What does it say? The total USB output is 3.1 amp. So don't expect like high, amperage or anything like that. But it's fine for what I'm going to be using it for. Supports 100 to 240 volt, 10 amp maximum load. So just be aware again. It's not going to replace like a full-fledged big, 100-watt USB-C charger or something like that, I wouldn't be plugging my laptop into these USB-A ports to charge, because will it charge? Maybe. Will it take like 17 years? Yeah, probably. I would just plug those straight into these. But to power little things, yeah, that should be perfect, right? As you can see here, this little picture, they're charging their phone. They got Alexa going, talking to it, right? And you got a smart control. I might use that actually, just because I have the old Alexa. You can probably hear her. Hello, Alexa.
Sorry, there is nothing for me to resume.
She's not overly smart all the time, but you get what I'm saying. I could use that to just turn on those lights once I get them set up. All right, anyways, here it is. Let's take a look. Okay, this is the box. Yes, 30 bucks. That's not horrible. It works with Alexa. It works with Google. I have both. 12-month warranty. Does have an app that you can use. Voice control. All kinds of goodness. It says voice control. My guess is it's voice control if you have Google or Alexa, right? It's not going to have voice control in here. It's going to have Wi-Fi, but that's okay. That's it right there. 2.4 gigahertz, or oh no, just so you know, 5 gigahertz not supported. So you got to make sure you have a 2.4 gigahertz network, and that's usually the case I find with most like smart adapters, smart lights, smart whatever. They need 2.4 gigahertz, because as far as I know, 2.4 gigahertz is a bigger, wider. You have a better chance of getting a better connection. It may not be as fast, but you don't need that speed for something like this, right? Smart Power Strip manual. That's a small manual. My goodness. How to pair. I'm hoping the pair is easy, because they really haven't told you a lot. All right, so be it. That's it. That's it right there. It's a nice, good size. Small. It's not as I thought it was going to be bigger. There's a little power light. I'm curious. Take that off. I am curious if what is that? There's a little button on the side there. You guys see the little button on the side? I don't know what that's for. Maybe that's like for pairing. Maybe, I don't know. Let's plug it in and see. Oh, it's got little protectors on the thing there. Let's plug it in just to see if we get any lights on it, because I'm curious. Just curious. So there is lights. You see the little red lights right there? Come on, off, maybe. Off, and it's got a pretty solid. And there is a blue glow. I think it's pairing right now. See the little blue glow there? It's hard to see it, but it's there. And you can see all the lights turn on, and you click this, all the lights go off. Still pairing, is my guess. I'm guessing that's pairing. All right, anyways, what I'm going to do now, because you don't need to see me do this part. I'm going to put it over there. I'm going to install it. I'm going to plug it in. And I'm going to hook in my new lights, and see how it works. All right. I'll be right back. Stay tuned.
We have finally. It's been a while actually since I've said I was gonna use that little power bar thing, but it's there. It's in use. I've actually set it up, and these are all see the little LED strips. Now I bought those LED strips from the dollar store. Yeah, from the dollar store. They were like, I don't know, $3 each, $4 each, something like that. I wish they were longer. They're only a meter long. And the other thing I would have loved, but again, I can't complain too much when they're only like $3-4 each, would be that you could connect like two together, which it doesn't look like you can. But this isn't a review for really inexpensive lights, right? And they're only white. The yellowy light, right? Yellowy white, whatever color that is. But you may be able to see it dangling kind of right there. I think that's it right there, dangling. I haven't plugged into another power bar because this room is equipped for that. But the nice thing is, because it has some AC stuff, it's just kind of hanging there. So it's not the best thing in the world for it. I'll rewire it whenever I get around to doing that. So I don't need you out there being like, oh, you can make that look prettier. I am really a person that is more function over style. You know, I want it to look. I don't mind if it looks good. But it functions. Functions. That's what I want. So, anyways, put it on the list. If you are someone that says, you know what, I need some USB power. I need some AC power. I don't want to spend a whole lot of money. Is this a decent option? Yeah, for sure. Why not? It works. Does the job. And what more can you ask from a power bar, I guess? All right, guys. I will leave links down below to where you can pick this up if you're at all interested. If not, that's cool too. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. And whenever we do our next live, you'll probably see those in the background. Not probably, you will. You'll see those. They'll be running. I probably won't ever turn them off. They'll just let them go. They're LEDs. How much power can they take? Right? All right, guys. I'm out. See you tomorrow.